State Security Minister Lafmo Matuke, Edimashingo Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution Ezra Zamira have strongly criticized war veterans who are resisting the proposed extension of President Emerson Mnangagwa's term under the CAB3 agenda. Tanabina Mashuko Branch watches Matuke Zamira blast war veterans opposing CAB3. That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Addressing party members during a ZANPF Mashingo Provincial Inter-District meeting held on Saturday, June 30, the two senior officials dismissed claims that supporting CAB3 contradicts the principles of the liberation struggle. Matuke questioned the stance taken by some war veterans, arguing that the proposal to extend Mnangagwa's tenure by 2 years should not be viewed as a departure from the values fought for during the Liberation War. In quotes, our former president stayed in office for 37 years, and we are only saying President Mnangagwa should stay for 2 more years. And some of you claim it's a violation of Liberation War values. The majority of the people are behind CAB3, said Matuke. He further stressed that all Liberation War fighters should be treated equally and cautioned against attempts by some veterans to portray themselves as the sole custodians of the struggle's legacy. Zamira also took aim at individuals accused of harboring ambitions to challenge Mnangagwa's leadership, insisting that authority within ZANPF remains firmly centered on the president. We only have one center of power in ZANPF, President Emerson Mnangagwa. If you're dreaming of taking over power, forget and relax. Some of you are hallucinating in your blankets with your wives, seeing yourself assuming power. That will never happen. You are just overzealous, Zamira declared. The remarks come amid growing debate within ZANPF and among Liberation War veterans over the proposed Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, which has sparked differing views on the future of the country's political leadership. Doma developments are pangwa ine na comment section medu muti tima pro ilmu tulipa msoro bichi tuko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.